4-wall absolute beginner level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the ending, and then we're going to go through and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Burn It Down. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to stomp our right foot slightly forward, and it's my suggestion that when you stomp, you have your toe slightly angled to the left. So we're stomping that right foot. You're now going to fan your right toe out, in, and then as you fan it out, you're going to take weight onto your right foot. We're going to do the same thing with the left, so you're going to stomp your left foot slightly forward, slightly angling that toe in. You're going to fan your left toe out, in, and as you fan it back out, you're going to take weight onto your left foot. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, stomping that right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to do a K step. So you're going to step your right foot forward into the right diagonal, touch your left next to your right. Step your left foot back into the left back diagonal, touch your right next to your left. Step your right foot back into the right back diagonal, touch your left next to your right, and then we're going to step our left foot forward and touch your right next to your left. So let's try that with some counts, doing your K step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to do a grapevine to the right and the left. So we're going to step our right foot to the right side, cross our left behind our right, step your right foot to the right side, and touch your left next to your right. We're now going to step our left foot to the left side, cross your right behind your left, step your left foot to the left side, and touch your right next to your left. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your grapevines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, we're going to do a right rocking chair. So you're going to rock forward onto your right foot, recover back onto your left, rock back with your right foot, recover forward on your left. We're going to step forward with our right. You're going to do a quarter pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 9 o'clock, and then we're going to stomp in place right, left. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your rocking chair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance to start over with your stomp and fan. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left. We're starting with our stomp fan. So it's stomp, fan, fan, step, stomp, fan, fan, step, K step. Grapevine to the right, grapevine to the left, right rocking chair, rock forward, rock back, step, quarter pivot, stomp, right, left. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, starting with your stomp. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. Now let's talk about the ending. Your final wall will be a 6 o'clock facing wall. When you hear the music start to slow down when you're dancing the back wall, you're going to do another full rotation. And when you come back to the back, that's going to be your final wall. You're going to dance all the way up until your rocking chair, the same that we do it on every other wall. But what we're going to do is, instead of doing a quarter pivot in your 2 stomps, we're going to make it a half pivot so that we can end facing 12 o'clock. So you'll just step and turn to the front, putting your weight on your left, and then you'll stomp right, left, and that is where the music will end. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. We're going to dance 4 walls of the dance. Weight is on your left. We're starting with our stomp. So it's stomp, fan, fan, step, stomp, fan, fan, step, K step. Grapevine to the right, grapevine to the left, rocking chair, step, quarter pivot, stomp in place, right, left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, stomp, fan, fan, step, stomp, fan, fan, step, K step. Grapevine to the right, grapevine to the left, right rocking chair, step, quarter pivot, stomp in you've learned with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn to burn it down. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.